Hi guys.
Hi.
Go ahead.
Hi guys.
Since we've been RVing for a little while now, a little over a year, we thought we would talk about the things that we have found out that we like and what we don't like about being full-time RV. So what do you really like about being in an RV?
I love these campgrounds. They're awesome. Some of them are. So far that we've been going through, I love them. The area's nice and clean. The camp hosts keep it up clean, and I tell you, I love it.
Yeah, we mostly stay in state parks or Corps of Engineer campgrounds, and they're, generally speaking, they are very clean, well kept. The pads are usually level. They're beautiful. They're quiet. It's just a peaceful place to be, and a lot of them are near lakes. So not only do we get to see the beautiful scenery of the trees and the birds and squirrels and all of that, and deer, we also get to look at a beautiful lake sometimes.
Sometimes I go fishing a little bit.
Or river, yeah.
I caught my first fish, bass.
Widemouth bass.
Yes.
About a month ago. Yeah.
First one I ever caught.
Yeah. He went every day for several days, and finally, he was fishing with a dear friend of ours, Vic Taylor, and caught him a big mouth bass.
I got so excited, I called him, Vic, help me, Vic, help me. It was bending, my rod was bending so hard. Vic, help me, I didn't know what to do, tell you the truth. But he came and he got tangled up with his rod. By the time he came toward me and we got it, I tell you.
I wish I had that on film, but I wasn't over there at the moment at his camper.
But it was awesome, I loved it.
That's our jaw right here. This is the best taste. If they're big enough, this is the sweetest meat you'll ever eat.
I'll watch you from a distance.
Alright.
And also I love the people around the campgrounds, and I tell you, they're very nice, friendly people.
Campers are extremely friendly and very helpful. They like to give advice. Like, we bought a tow dolly so that we could bring our car with us wherever we go. And we had never done that before. So when someone would drive into the campground with the tow dolly, here would go Jesse.
I'm going to go ask questions. I'm going to go ask questions about it.
How do you like your tow dolly? What's the best way to do this? What's the best way to do that? Or what shouldn't I do?
They gave me some good tips.
Yeah.
Very good tips.
Yeah. Excellent. Campers are always willing to help you because I guess they don't want anyone to go through what maybe they have gone through in the past. Maybe they've had a problem. So we love other campers. And I like that our house is always with us, no matter where we go, what state we go to. We can get out in our car and go sightsee or whatever and come home. We have our own restroom here. We've got our own kitchen to make our own food. We don't have to wake up in the mornings and wonder, what are we going to eat today in a different state, or try to find a restaurant, or is it even healthy food? So most of you know me, know that I want something healthy. So I really love the fact that I can cook my own food and go to my own restroom and sleep in my own bed. My home's with me wherever we go, and that I really like.
This here, I could wash and wax it. It only takes me a good 40 minutes, easy, to clean this RV.
Yeah.
And I don't have to cut the grass or anything like that. Just to clean up the RV, making sure everything's up to date, all the bolts tightened, you know, oil and grease everything.
Yeah.
That's my job out there.
Yeah.
I love it.
And it only takes me like 30 minutes to clean top to bottom. And I'm talking cleaning my ceiling, walls, cabinets, dusting, wiping, mopping, vacuuming, everything. I'm done in 30 minutes. You know, who can say that about their whole house? Clean, top to bottom. What else do you like?
I really don't know.
I know that you like that you can see TV from everywhere, including when he's in the bathroom. We have a sliding door on our bathroom, and sometimes I'll see that thing come open just a little bit. Yeah, Jesse's got to watch TV while he uses the pot.
I gotta watch the news. I don't want to miss a beat.
Yeah, the news. He loves Me TV. All the old nostalgic stuff. He loves Me TV.
Yeah, I love it.
We could watch Andy Griffith, I think, 10 hours a day, or Perry Mason 10 hours a day if I would allow him to do that.
But I love it. It's nice.
Yeah. So what are some of the things that you don't like about being in an RV?
I just don't like the storms. It really rains hard. Then you got these golf ball hails type deal. I'm scared it's going to crack these
Vent covers?
vent covers. I'm scared about that.
Yeah,
Then also the winds blow so hard. I feel, ooh, this thing's going to flip over. But it won't.
No, it won't. It's pretty heavy. Well, we did have one really windy storm, and Jesse got kind of scared when it rocked just a little bit, and he put his jacket on and he said, "Let's go." And I said, "Where are we going?" I mean, it's pouring down rain outside and the wind is blowing. And he says, "To the car." And I said, "The car? The car weighs a whole lot less than this RV. You know, it's more dangerous to get in the car." So, but most campgrounds have bathhouses, and those are usually bricked, so you can go to those if you need a
Storm
safe place.
shelters, they're used to shorts.
Yeah, you can use those as your storm shelter. But this thing, you know, I mean, you got something that weighs 20,000 pounds.
It's not going to flip over.
Yeah, mild windy storm isn't going to flip your RV
Got to
over.
be a hurricane, tornado coming through here in order to flip it over. But
Let's go. Where are we going?
this is my first time having it doing it. Got scared.
Yeah.
What can I say?
I don't like the fact that when we first started RVing, I'd knock my head on the kitchen cabinets or in the bathroom on that cabinet. I had to learn to stand up straight instead of leaning over like to get to the sink, because I'd knock my head on something. It's a wonder I still have my head on my shoulders. But I finally got used to that, and I know how to stand in an RV now, and how
Same here.
watch edges, because you'll hit your elbow on things, because some spots can get a little tight. So don't bump your head, don't bump your elbows. And sometimes the storage can be not enough if your RV is too small, but
Yeah,
ours
we
is
need-
the perfect size for us.
Now we're hauling a vehicle. Now we got our chairs, recliners, and all that
In the car.
in the car.
So, anyhow, and Jesse doesn't like
Cleaning the tank, hoses. I don't mind the other stuff, but the hoses, I do not like cleaning it.
Yeah, see, we've got a macerator system on
I
ours,
love that.
Senecon.
That's the best thing.
Yeah, so all he has to do is take that hose down and push some buttons and it'll dump our tanks. For those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, underneath your toilet and the pipes running from your sinks, your kitchen sink, bathroom sink, and from the shower run into tanks. So there's a gray tank which holds all the sink and shower water, and then there's a black tank which is what holds all of human waste.
I
And
don't like it.
Jesse can't stand the thought of maybe getting a whiff of that one. He immediately starts gagging.
I can't
I'll
take
show
it.
you. I'll put a clip in right here. Oh my gosh. Oh.
This gonna be clean with a rag.
You're kidding, right?
No,
That's clean.
that crap's still in there.
Oh my gosh, the fun of RV life. Oh. Oh my god.
I need a rag.
You mean like a bunch of paper towels?
Yeah, a bunch of paper towels will be all right.
Okay, Papa?
Huh?
You okay?
Oh, Jesus, help him. Oh, my word. Okay, stop. It's clean enough.
I think it's clean, Papa.
Oh, my word. Oh, my dear. Oh.
Don't breathe, hold your nose.
Well, they taught us in nursing school to breathe breathe through the mouth, not the nose.
I just can't take it.
Yeah. So I guess that's about it.
Yes.
Those are the things that we really, really like and the things that we don't like. And one other thing is that we have learned being together 24 hours a day, 7 days a week does make a difference in your relationship. Either you are going to figure out that you don't like each other at all, or you're going to remember why you loved each other, and you're going to be nice to each other and just create more peace in your home.
I love it.
Yeah, I love it too.
Okay.
So, that's it, guys. Have a great day. We love you. Bye from Misty Rose.
Same here.